Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Scaleway. Scaleway, scaleway.com/en, is a cloud computing platform offering a variety of services designed for developers and businesses. From simple virtual private servers to sophisticated managed Kubernetes clusters, Scaleway provides a comprehensive suite of tools to build, deploy, and scale applications. Their global data center network ensures low latency and high availability for users worldwide. One of Scaleway's key strengths lies in its flexible and transparent pricing model. They offer competitive hourly and monthly rates, allowing you to tailor your cloud spending to your specific needs. This makes Scaleway a particularly attractive option for startups, small businesses, and individuals looking for cost-effective cloud solutions. Beyond virtual servers, Scaleway provides a range of managed services that simplify complex infrastructure management. These services include managed databases, load balancers, and object storage, allowing developers to focus on building their applications rather than managing their underlying infrastructure. Scaleway's intuitive console and API make it easy to deploy and manage these services, even for users with limited cloud experience. Furthermore, Scaleway demonstrates a commitment to innovation by offering cutting-edge technologies like serverless computing and machine learning platforms. This forward-thinking approach ensures that developers have access to the latest tools and technologies to build next-generation applications. Scaleway's platform is also designed with security in mind, offering features like firewalls, DDoS protection, and robust data encryption to safeguard your valuable data. In addition to their technical capabilities, Scaleway offers dedicated customer support to assist users with any questions or issues they may encounter. Their comprehensive documentation and active community forum provide valuable resources for developers seeking assistance and best practices. For those seeking a powerful, flexible, and cost-effective cloud platform, Scaleway is definitely worth considering.